Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Thank you for all my subscribers and to those some person that still stay to my YouTube channels and then left to my YouTube channels if they want. Bye, toxic. You know, I have a loyal subscribers that they will stay to my YouTube channels. And if you're not happy if you're not happy to see my YouTube channels, you are free to just because I know that you're staying to my YouTube channels because you want to spy my videos. And as a person, I'm not happy that you come and out and then for fun only. And then if you want to feel me irritating, you want to do is make me irritating. And you know what, guys? I've been in Mercury Drugs today and pick up Mon's medicine because, he cannot manage to pick up his medicine. And I need to do that. And then you know what I discovered? I heard in my 2 ears. They said that they give my clothes to others, and you know what they are doing? You know what they said? And then, I need to buy it again. And then they are laughing. For them, it's for fun. It's for fun to stolen my things here inside the house and sell it again. So they can earn money. And then, my money is, say bye-bye like that. It's like that here. Welcome to this world where I'm not belong. But, I don't have any choice because my daughter is begging me to stay with her. But, suddenly is we live not the same house. I live here and she is together with other family. But you know what? I'm sad that people, they need to show their attitude like that. Like, they are professional. They are working to the Mercury Drugs. But I feel like they are really, really proud to destroy one person and make it for fun only. See, guys? I can discover so many things, but I'm the type of person that I don't need to take video. Why? Because I know how to respect others and I know what people's privacy. Suddenly, they did it to me. Stolen my things and give it to others, and then they can earn money from me again because I find my things there. And I want to keep my things because even that it's hanging to their own used boutique like Lupi Market and Denmark. I know that it's mine because I smell Rohelia's, clothes. Yeah, my things is my things and I know how it smell. Okay, yun lang guys, sinabi ko lang sa inyo ang latest ng aking natuklasan today. At yun nga guys ang aking natuklasan. They are proud. Laughing that, yeah, they are like that. Be careful. If you get married, please choose the person that you love. Choose the right country that you're gonna be, happy for living. Bye-bye.